Asayton will take another one. Napasa pala kay Locsin. Sasaksak si Locsin and he will get the 2 points off the glass. On Locsin scored. Samantala si Carl Thomas way off there.
Ang layo nun.
Locsin, mabuti na lang at nandun si Noli Locsin. Noli Locsin nasa poste. Laman kay Dwight Lago. He turns around and gets another basket. Noli Locsin is sharp. 6 points. Both teams showing very impressive imports. Narito si Locsin. Sasaksakan ang depensa. He will draw the foul from Art de la Cruz. And one lead.
Partner, malayo pa to, no? And yes, Sunkist needs to be able to take this 1 point at a time, and if they can play good defense like
Free throw line for a bonus free throw after that foul na natawag kay Art de la Cruz. Si Art back the ball. Locsin is open. Now he moves in. Nice fake and a great move from Noli Locsin.
Well, towards the end of the first half, nagpakita na itong Sunkist.
Binigay kay Locsin.
Ito, tumatakbo ang Sunkist ngayon.
Asayton off a great pass by Locsin. So si Locsin ang nagpap. The firing end will be the ball from the tank. Gandang kombinasyon yan. Ang lalaki niyan. Yan, slow mo na yan. Brought to you by PLDT. Muscle inside para sa Sunkist. Locsin takes a 3-point shot. PLDT conversion from the tank. So
he got the shot up.
Locsin, laban kay Ildefonso. Jump shot. Yes! Noli Locsin now leading Sunkist in scoring. 17 puntos na ang ginagawa ng tangke.
Long partner. Coach Chotres was looking for a point guard who can put some semblance of sanity sa offensive and sa the other end.
Rosella's okay. Locsin, sinaksakan si Howard. Sumabay ka pa. And the tank just coming back here. They're down by 16. Nice pass, Locsin. Tinamon si Stephen Howard and what a reverse from Noli Locsin.
Beautiful shot.
Sunkist ay nakabalik na. Here's that last play. Watch the move with the left hand off the glass and the tank can fly.